Talk to us a little bit about, you're in a semi-new role at Cisco, bringing together a lot of kind of disparate units and a lot of different products. Maybe you can just share with the audience what you're doing and maybe the strategy behind some of that.
Yeah, absolutely. So, a lot of the themes that you're talking about today, with cloud first, mobile first, those are, and user first, really, consumerization. Those are the themes that we're really pivoting onto at Cisco Collaboration. So if you think about where Cisco is today as a business, we've got the second largest cloud SaaS business after Salesforce with WebEx. A lot of customers moving to that. You've got voice over IP, telephony, and video, right? So these are technologies that are really crying for a revolution to move them towards cloud mobile first. And so that's what we're working on. And we also believe in the power of content and bringing those things together. So you had a good chart earlier that showed communications on the one side and content on the other. And congratulations on your announcement with Box.
Thank you. Thank you. And so how do you guys think that content and communication can come together? Because that's obviously what we're working on together.
Yeah, so if you think about where we really want to focus on technology for our customers is great communications technology, great collaboration technologies. And we want to leverage the work that you're doing around things like content and moving that content in the cloud, making it accessible, making it easy to access, and so forth. So I see a great partnership there. We're talking about a technology right now, so we're going to be announcing WebEx for iPad. That's going to have a native Box integration. And what we've seen in our customer base is a lot of people there's a huge transition to people actually hosting meetings from their iPad. So with WebEx, you can host a meeting, a real-time video collaboration experience directly from your iPad. And we wanted to bring the content right into there. So in October, we're going to be releasing a new version of the WebEx iPad app that actually integrates natively with Box. So you can take your content right where it lives in Box, and you can share it and host a real-time meeting directly from your iPad. Don't need to have a PC anymore. So it's pretty exciting.
That sounds pretty great. We like mobile a lot, as you can tell. And how do you think this starts to transform different industries and different businesses? We were talking a little bit about healthcare as an example. I know that you look over a lot of the transformation happening around Cisco there.
Yeah, well, in healthcare, they're really looking for solutions. First of all, you guys, your solution is HIPAA compliant, right? We have a lot of healthcare customers, and so they're looking for solutions where they can use trusted industry standards, things like Box that do have that kind of certification, and bring together our trusted real-time communication stack, tie those together, and we're seeing it in places like the Children's National Medical Health Center, where you've got pediatric cardiologists who are using WebEx and Jabber technology to actually do remote diagnostics. And so they can take that information and store that information into the cloud securely with Box. We think that's an exciting feature.
But why don't customers just buy all of this stuff from a single vendor? I mean, why do they want technologies like us?
Yeah, I think that's the old world, right? Where you had a single stack and a closed ecosystem, right? A closed environment, a walled garden. And Cisco's built our entire strategy on openness and interoperability, and we want to give our users the ability to take best of breed right across the stack. And so clearly you're doing that with service-oriented architecture and the Box platform we just talked about, and we're going to build on that, and we're going to interact and work together more in the future.
Got it. And obviously I have to ask, who do you think is going to be CEO of Microsoft?
So actually, thanks for asking.
Yes.
I think my boss, my ex-boss is heading up that search, John Thompson.
Where were you at previously?
That was at Symantec, yeah. And I know he's been on Bing a lot lately, searching. Searching around. He's looking for somebody who's fresh and hip to really revitalize the brand. Yeah. He's looking for somebody who's led a transformation of a $1 billion brand. So I think Bing has turned up the top answer, which is Miley Cyrus.
Oh, wow. And Miley Cyrus does it again.
Yeah, she's got a video. He told me that he saw a video of the new way to twerk, and he was going to watch it, but his computer blue screen. So, yeah. Thanks a lot.
Roman, thanks a lot.
Hey, thanks, Aaron.
Appreciate it.